Today we're going to show you how to install bushings or shifter bushings on a 2007 Subaru WRX. Chris is coming. He had to go do something and then he'll be back. Ryan and I, we're going to start show you how to install it. Imagine if we could do the transmission swap here, Ryan. I mean, maybe someone named, I don't know, Emerson suggested that because it was only supposed to take a weekend, but then it took 2 weeks.
Quite a while.
It took 2 weeks to finish that. Holy. So, yes, Ryan. Yes.
I mean, if I said it would have taken 2 weeks, it would have been like at least a month.
This is true.
So,
Things you're going to need to do this, you're going to need a...
we don't know. Oh, you forgot to bring the
You forgot to bring the bushings. If you did, fuck.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, probably it.
Yeah. All right. Bushings. 4.
So, there's that,
Yep.
and there's that.
What's that? What's that?
This goes to the back of it,
Okay.
where it mounts to the transmission tunnel. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what they're called.
And what's that?
I just know what they do and where they go.
Oh.
Yeah,
So what's that?
these are bushings.
For what?
The shifter. You'll see when we do it.
Oh, okay, cool. Things you're gonna need are 1, your bushings. 2, you're gonna need a jack stands, spanners or wrenches, if you will. A chugga or a what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
That's a chugga.
Yeah, I said it was a chugga, but what is the actual name of this? It's not an impact gun.
I think it's a torque driver, right? Torque driver? What do you think?
You need a torque driver, and then also a couple of people. Chris. Got the car jacked up. As you can see, there it is. And then when you jack up the car, you're gonna have to take out, I think 4 things. So first thing you're gonna have to take out is the exhaust. And then you're gonna have this kind of like support for the differential. This one's gonna be in the front. And then you're gonna have a support for the rear part of the diff, which is, this is for your transmission. This part here, this part here is for your transmission. This part here is at the back where your diff is, and you're gonna grab that and you're gonna take it off. I don't remember the bolt sizes. Actually, I do. So these here, there's I think a 14.
What?
Another 14, another 14, another 14, and then these ones down here, those are 17 mils, and you're gonna crack those off, and you have another set of 14s right here. So you need to take off that, and then for this right here, these are all 14 mil bolts or nuts, whatever you want to call them. Also, when you take off the drive shaft, the transmission in the front, the transmission is in the front, goodness. So when you take off the drive shaft, there is going to be transmission fluid leaking out from the front where your transmission is. So be wary of that. Like, have paper towel handy or something, and then pull it out. Once you get there, you're actually going to want to take 2 spanners, 2 14 mil spanners, and the part where you're replacing the bushing, I'll give Ryan the camera so he can give you guys a better look of what you're supposed to do, or where you're supposed to, put the spanners, or use the spanners, I'm so sorry, so that you can replace the bushings.
Okay, so this piece goes up there. It has a slotted piece right there. That bolt slides right up in there. goes into a captive nut, slides in. Take it out, it's a 14 mil right there. You don't need anything on this side. You gotta take out the reverse lockout too. I already got the other piece on this side. Took that off already. It's pretty easy. That's about it.
So this is the OEM or stock rear shifter bushing, and thanks to Cobb again, and also TOGUE tuning.
This is also 16 years old.
Holy shit, it's actually.
Well, yeah, it's OEM. It's from the factory.
This is the shifter bushing, and then we're swapping it with Perrin's 2-part shifter bushings. This one is like freaking
Super soft.
stupid
and these
soft.
are like hockey clubs. Like you literally cannot. You can't do anything.
No,
This is like
maybe if you tap them on the ground, that might.
loosen it up. No,
No.
I don't loosen it up at all.
They'll give them a sense of how like tough they are.
Oh.
There you go. So yeah.
Watch this. Drop this.
Your hands were in the way. Yeah. Ooh, amazing.
That's the rear shifter bushing. That's the front one.
So once all of that's done, you want to put everything back on. The process, or not process, but the way we did it is we put the transmission support on, and then we put the diff kind of guard or brace on, and then we put the exhaust on, and that's it. So see you guys in a bit.